It's story time! Splash of Color by Alyssa, Liang. Splash! Oh no! My feet are yellow. Splash! Oh no! My feet are red. Splash! Oh no! My feet are purple. Splash! Oh no! My feet are green. Splash! Oh no! My feet are orange. Splash! Oh no! My feet are blue.
Let's read.
Yellow, red, purple, green, orange, blue. Let's do the activities.
Activity 1. Color all the feet with the specified color.
Yellow, red, purple, green, orange, blue.
Activity 2. Draw a path through the maze to help Daddy find his ladder. What happens on the way?
A dog trips on the paint. A chick trips on the paint. A cat trips on the paint. A duckling trips on the paint. A piglet trips on the paint. A rabbit trips on the paint.
Activity 3. Color the picture that matches the first picture in each row. Why are the other two pictures different?
The pictures of a hen and a duckling don't match. The pictures of a mouse and a goat don't match. The pictures of a horse and a cow don't match. The pictures of a teddy bear and a doll don't match.
Activity 4. Say the sound of the letter. Color the pictures that begin with the same sound.
Flying, fish, friends, flowers, feet, face.
Activity 5. Test your understanding of the story. What color is each animal's feet?
The dog's feet are yellow. The chick's feet are red. The cat's feet are purple. The duckling's feet are green. The piglet's feet are orange. The rabbit's feet are blue.